Hey, hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes. So, how's your lockdown going? I hope it's going good. May 20, July 20 students, May 20 now, July 20 students are utilizing their time. Yes. November 20 students getting good time to study. May 21 students are like, we don't know what to do. Okay. Anyway, stay safe, all of you, in this particular scenario, which is most important because health is wealth. Yes. Okay. So in this particular video, I just wanted to inform you and to basically give you certain information about the new law book which we have, introduced just now. That is the fifth edition of our law book for CF finals, which is specifically applicable for the November 2020 examinations. Yes, which is specifically applicable for November 2020 examinations, because for every attempt we come up with an edition. So this is November 2020 edition. Okay. So as a important thing which I wanted to tell you about this particular this time, that is this fifth edition, was uh, due to the circumstances, due to many other reasons, this time instead of handwritten book, okay, instead of handwritten book, it is going to be a printed book. Okay. A small change, just try to understand, listen, see the entire video, then only you will come to know that what are the changes which we have done, and what are the benefits that we all are going to get from this. Yes. So this time, instead of the handwritten book, it's the printed book, but the content remaining the same. Okay, the content will remain the same, the concept will remain the same. Our concept was simplicity, right? Our concept was simplicity. That concept remains the same content from the handwritten book has been brought forward to this particular edition of book with all the amendments, etc., etc. Everything is same. Everything is same. It's just that the format has changed. Okay. Um Now I'll just tell you what are the main features. First, let me give you a glimpse of this particular book. So it is like this. I hope you all can see on the board. Yes. Okay. So now this is the format. Basically everything remains the same. If you have, or if you have seen any of my previous books, you can just see the headings, etc. Okay, the headings here, the color which we used to use. Okay, for the main heading, the main chapter heading, the red color, then the paragraph heading, black color, content, blue color, everything remains the same, trust me. Okay. uh, Amendments I used to put in green, right? Important things I used to keep it in red. Everything remains the same. Okay, so this is basically the look of the book. Okay, it is going to be a multicolored book. Just the only difference is it's not a handwritten, it's a printed one. Okay. Now for those who are looking out to buy this particular book for November 2020, or who are planning whatever, you can say, now let me tell you. First of all, again the book has been divided. Our book has been again divided into 4 volumes. Okay, just like our previous attempts, it's divided into 4 volumes. So I can just tell you here. First volume is your company law. Okay, company law volume 1 is the content book which contains all the concepts. Okay, volume 2 of this particular company law is your question bank, right? Which includes your subjective questions also, which includes your MCQs also, by which you will also be able to crack the integrated MCQs. Okay, don't worry about that. Many students ask me that, ma'am, what extra efforts do we take for the integrated case studies, etc., that the ICI is going to ask or something. So my dear students, I have been always telling that please focus on the content. Okay, this is the thing on which you have to focus. And if you focus on the content, be it a single line MCQ, be it a story based or a case study based MCQ, you should be 100% able to attempt. Okay, because without content, okay, especially in law, without content there is nothing. Okay, until unless you don't know the provisions, you won't be able to solve the MCQs, be it in any format. Okay. So yes, company law is contained in 2 volumes. Volume 1, which is the content, and volume 2, which is the question bank. Okay, in question bank I told you it contains the subjective as well as the MCQs. Going to the next part, that is your allied laws. If we talk from old syllabus point of view, we used to call it as allied laws. If we talk it from the new course point of view, we call it as economic laws. Okay, including your securities law. Securities law means we are talking about SEBI, SECRA, those chapters, SEBI chapters, securities contract regulation, we are talking about that. Okay, even that is included here in the second part. So again, this entire thing has been covered in volume 3 and volume 4. Okay, now you should understand what will be there in volume 3. What will be there in volume 3? Now you know this, content would be there in volume 3 and the question bank would be there in volume number 4. Okay, so in this way our book is divided into 4 volumes just to keep it very handy, okay, and easy to carry basically. So this particular book has been divided into 4 volumes. Okay, now coming on to the content. Okay, coming on to the content for any, be it volume 1 or be it volume 3, be it anything, let me tell you, every relevant thing has been covered in the book. Okay, many a things has been taken from the bare law also. Okay, everything has been covered from your ICIM module also. Wherever possible, okay, wherever possible, I have made charts. Okay, I have made tables, I have given keywords, I have given story quotes, wherever possible. Okay, wherever possible, I have done that. So the content, even though it's in a printed format, you won't get the feel of a regular textbook. You will get a feel that, okay, this is my book only. Okay, trust me. Okay, now another thing which I want to tell you here is, since content covers everything, we have also covered all the amendments till 30 April 2020. Okay, that is the cutoff date. That is the cutoff date for the coming November 2020 examination. So every amendment till 30 April 2020 has been covered in the book. Okay, but as we have seen in the past, many a times it happens that ICAI does not notify each and every amendment. Okay, it happened last time with me also. In PMLA also there were some explanations inserted in the definitions in the money laundering chapter, but I had put those in the book, but that was not notified by the ICAI. Okay, so this thing happens, but to be on a safer side, I have incorporated all those amendments in the book. Okay, and what happens is, see, the amendments are not too much, they are not too much, but yes, there are, and it has impact on the question answers also. So as of now, we have incorporated all the amendments. Once the ICAI comes up with the RTP for that attempt, that is for the November attempt, that time I come with a video. Okay, for every attempt I come with a video, a clarification video, that which amendments are applicable from the book and which amendments are not applicable. Okay, so that you won't feel any confusion, etc. So as of now, ma'am, what should we do? Should we study or not? Answer is study. Okay, answer is study. Study those, whatever is given in our book, please study everything and then just wait for my video after your RTP gets raised. Okay, so yes, first question which I usually get, like, okay, just like FAQ, that ma'am, is the book amended? So the answer is yes, the book is amended up to 30 April 2020, which is the cutoff date for the November 2020 examination. Very clear with this? Yes. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you about subjective. Now the most important thing which I want to tell you, which I have done for this particular attempt in subjective. Okay, a big change on request of many students or many suggestions received from my dear students. I have done a small change. Okay, maybe this small change will help you in a very bigger manner. So let me show this to you. Okay, so this is your book basically. Okay, yes, like I told you, I have incorporated charts wherever possible. Okay, just like as you can see here also, you know, after the answer is written in a paragraph format, I have put a chart. So if you want to, you know how, if you just want to know how to write the answers, then yes, you can use the paragraphs. Okay, and if you just want to revise it very quickly, you can use the charts. Okay, for that purpose, we have kept both. Okay, so in this way, basically, our book has been designed wherever possible. Pointers, as you can see here, pointers, etc. has been kept. Important pointers have been underlined, as you can see, right? Important things have been written in red, as you can see here. Okay, so whatever was possible from my end, I have given it to you, I have done it for you. Okay, now see here, Say for example, see here, everyone here on the board. Okay, so this was an amendment basically which was inserted via Finance Act 2019. Okay, ideally this should have been applicable for your last May 2020 examinations only. Okay, but this was not notified by the ICAI. So I have just written here in the bracket, see, subject to notification in RTP November 20. So you will be able to distinguish, don't worry about that, right? Then here, see here, chart is there. Can you see here? This one. Okay, so in this way, basically we have tried to, simplify the content for you in a very better manner. Now, one more thing, the most important thing which I am very much eager to show you, here. Yes, see here, everyone. So here basically your chapter gets over. Okay, here your chapter gets over. Then we have this summary of the important time periods, because in law what happens, you have so many time periods for filing the appeal, another level of appeal, etc. There are many time periods. You will understand once you get into the subject, okay, because then, till the time we are into a particular part, that is, suppose, say for example, if we started with economic laws, till there you will manage. Okay, till there you will say, okay, I am roughly able to remember. But when we go to company law, oh my god, every page has a penalty, almost every section has a penalty. There are so many time periods to be remembered, there are so many provisions to be remembered, and then this was only law, and then you have other 7 subjects to do. So, it becomes a full-on chaos. So, I have received suggestions from many students, ma'am, please give us the summary tables, please give us last-minute revision tables, etc. So, considering the request of those students, I have done this. As you can see here, first of all, this is the summary of the important time periods which is there here, and then once this is done, after that, for every chapter we have the summary of important penalties. As you can see, summary of all the important penalties which is there in the chapter. So on this one particular page, the entire summary from the 33 pages earlier has been consolidated in one page. Okay, so this is the penalty. And now the most important thing, that is the super quick revision of important provisions of this particular chapter. I have just tried to put it in small blocks. As you can see here, see this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and so on. You have to just go on reading, and this will, this is first page, this is your second page. Yes, so in 2 pages the entire chapter of 33 pages has been revised, right? So this will definitely help you. And yes, even this summary which is there here, even this summary is amended. So you need not worry about anything, right? Please don't worry about anything. I have given my heart out. I have done everything which I could do in this particular edition, right? So this is the summary, and this we have done, yes, and then at the end of every chapter we have left a blank page. If you want to write down anything, you can just write it, right? Similarly here, see, for the next chapter which I am showing it to you, I'll just show you for this also. One second. Yes, see, this is the second chapter. So we have the important appeal time periods coming up here. Then we have, since this chapter does not have any penalty provisions for our syllabus, there are no penalty charts given here. And then again we have the super quick revision. Okay, in one page the entire important provisions has been revised. Okay, so this is what I have tried to done for you in this particular attempt. I hope you show your love to me by commenting that yes ma'am, this is going to be helpful for us, this is going to be a motivating factor for me, guys, trust me. Another thing which I want to tell you is, similarly I have done it for company law also, as you can see here. Okay, I'll just show it to you, give me a minute. Yes. Okay. Can you see here? This is your company law book. Yes. Charts, tables, pointers, everything has been put up here. Important things in red. Right. Then see, coming to the end of the chapter, we have the penalty summary coming up here. We have the important forms summary coming up here, right? And then we have the super quick revision of the chapter, right? So basically this is what I have tried to do, right? For maximum chapters it is done, yes. So whatever is relevant for you, whatever is important for you, everything has been done here, everything has been covered here, right? And then I will just show you the glimpse of the question bank that we have. So as you can see here, yes, can you see this? Yes, this is your question bank basically in the landscape format. So this is one particular chapter where I'll just show you. See this. This is the first chapter. We have some direct questions here. Besides every question, you have the source which is written here. Okay, we have tried to consolidate all the similar type of questions together by putting an or in between. Can you see here? Putting an or in between and giving one common answer. We have done that. Okay, so this is basically your question bank which contains everything. I'll give you the source, don't worry. As of now, you can just have a look at it. Can you see here? Till your November 2019 exams, because as of now, today I'm recording this video on 16th of May. So May exams have not yet gone. So all the exam papers till November 2019 has been covered. As you can see, the question also here, I've written here, as you can see here on the board, the thing which I have underlined here, right? See here, November 2019, this was asked in the old book. Okay, so this way I have done it for each and every chapter, right? And then I'll just show you the MCQ also. Yes, see here, MCQs have been placed in this particular manner. You have the MCQs on the same page. Below you have the solutions. Okay, so while solving, you can just do one thing. You can, what do you say? Solve the MCQs by hiding the answers below, and then you can just check the answer. Right, in this way basically our book has been designed. I just wanted to show you. Every time I show you the physical copy also, but this time because the printing etc has not been done, so I'm not able to show you the physical copy, so I'm just showing you the ebook format of this. Yes, and coming on to the coverage, yes, this is very important. Coming on to the coverage, okay, for for your question bank, okay, be it for company law or be it for your allied laws, I'll just show you, I'll just tell you the coverage, what all have we covered. Okay, one second, I don't know if I've written it here or not. Yes, see, first of all, for theory, your amendments till 30 April is covered, right? Then for your question bank, the coverage is all the exam papers, okay, somewhere from the year 2013 till your November 2019 is covered, right? Then your RTP till May 2020 is covered, right? Then your mock papers, the latest series of October 2019 has been covered, right? Then your ICAI new study mat, that is your, August 2019 for new course, ICAI had come up with this new study mat, August 2019 edition. All questions from this has been covered. Okay, then initially for the old course, we used to have practice manual. Okay, all questions from the practice manual has been covered with amended answers. Okay, with amended answers. Then ICAI had given extra question list. All questions from that also has been covered with amended answers. And by this, nothing is left. Nothing means nothing is left. Each and every question has been covered from the ICAI resource. So this is what I have done this time for you. I hope, I'm so much eager to present this book before you all, because this is a one-stop book. It should not happen that, okay, I'm referring Arpita ma'am's book also, plus I have to refer module also, plus I have to refer XYZ author book also. It should not happen. If you are referring my book, then my book has to be the whole thing, right? So it is a one-stop thing for your law, in which I have put my heart out for you guys and presenting this book before you all, right? So now, ma'am, how do we get the book? If at all, if anyone is interested in this particular book, then let me tell you. As of now, considering the situation, I hope this you will understand. Considering the situation, printing etc. is not at all happening. Okay, considering we stay in Mumbai, so boss, you know what is the situation here, right? Printing is not happening. So what we have done is, as of now, you have the option of viewable ebook. Okay, you have the option of viewable ebook. This is one option that we are giving. So anyone who wants to, see the book, anyone who wants to read can read. You can watch it on your Android smartphone, or you can watch it on your Windows desktop, or you can watch it on your Windows laptop. Okay, with a particular basic configuration, you can watch it. Okay, it is a viewable ebook. Okay, all the 4 volumes will be provided in that. Okay, another option that we are giving as of now is, you can go with the viewable ebook, and once the lockdown gets over, and once situation comes into control, and once we are out with the physical book, okay, which we are expecting maybe by June end or maybe by July. I cannot promise you anything, because you can just step into my shoes and just try to understand the point, right? Printing of so many books, it's not possible. It's not a one-day game, right? So it takes time. So till then, we have just provided you this facility of viewable ebook, in which you can, you can just go through the book, you can just go through, you can read. If you want to make your own summary, okay, or if you want to make your own hand notes, you can just maintain a separate notebook, you can write. Or if you want to practice anything, you can just scribble in another notebook, and you can do that, right? For that purpose, basically, as of now, instead of providing nothing, we are just providing the viewable ebook. Right, so first option was only the viewable ebook, and the second one is viewable ebook now, and maybe in July you will get the physical book. Okay, trust me, if you want it early, more than that, I am eager to send you the physical book. So please trust me. Yes, so physical book somewhere in July. This is the option that I am providing you now, which I am forced to provide you this option as of now. Okay. So all these details, viewable ebook now, and physical book later, etc. All these options are available on your website, as you already know, www.arpitatulsian.com. Okay, this is our website. You can simply go to the book section. You will find 2 books. See the content properly, see the description properly. One book is for May 2020, that is the coming examination student. Another book is for November 2020. Don't do any mistake there, right? And in November 2020, if you go and check the product, you will find all the whatever I have told you here, you will find there in the description. Okay, accordingly, please choose the proper option. Okay. So this is what basically I wanted to tell you there. The price, cost, etc. everything has been written there. You can just go there and you can just see. Okay. Another thing which I wanted to tell you is about the lectures. Okay. Another thing which I wanted to tell you was about the lectures. Lectures for the coming examinations, that is for November 2020 and May 21 examinations mainly. Okay. Mainly for November 2020 and May 21 examination. As of now, if you go to the lectures tab also, you will see on the same website, arpitatulsian.com, if you go and just see there, full English lectures. Okay, full English lectures are available as of now in Google Drive mode option. Okay, because the recording of these lectures have been started by me. So few lectures have already been uploaded in the drive, and you can just start off with the lecture. Okay, options are available there also, lesser validity, more validity, with ebook, with physical, everything, whatever is possible from us, we have given all those particular options in the lectures tab also. Okay, then next thing which is going to come up is the English lectures. Okay, next thing which is going to come up is the English lectures, that is Hindi plus English lectures, just like we have it on YouTube, etc. These lectures would be available from first week of June 2020, because my batch is going to start from then, that is June 2020. English recordings, full English, 100% basic English, and no big jargons, etc. You don't worry about that. So 100% basic English lectures are available now in Google Drive mode, right? And this recording, this English lectures, I think before we start with English, that should be completed. So maximum by first week of June, the English lectures would be completed. English would be starting after that, right? And it will go on maybe till the month end, or maybe till first week of July. Okay, so English is available now. English would be available somewhere in the month of June. Very clear with this? Yes, again, lectures, everything has been taught from the same book. The content will be covered, the amendments would be covered, the all the question answers, subjective question answers, MCQs, everything would be discussed in the lectures itself. Very clear with this? Yes, so this is what I wanted to tell you about the lectures, right? So I hope you are very clear with this particular book. I have done my best this time. Yes, for this particular book, I have taken all the possible efforts during this lockdown. I have utilized the time in the best possible manner for you guys, as every time. Okay, as every time. I might sound repetitive, but as usual, I would just like to expect an exemption from you. This is the minimum target that my students have to keep, right? So, also, if you have any content related issues, okay, if you want to ask me anything, if you want to talk to me, if you want to ask me anything, feel free to WhatsApp me on my number 9167 082 081, right? If you want to ask anything about the content, about any doubts in the lectures, any doubts in the books, etc., feel free to talk to me on this. I would be happy to help you, right? And for any other thing, you can just go to the website is self-explanatory. You can go to our website arpitatulsian.com. All the information is available there. Very clear with this, right? So I hope I am very clear with all these things. Yes, if I just want to write down the name of the website, I'll just write it here if you just want it for your reference. arpitatulsian.com, this is the name of the website, right? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for showering the love for the super quick law revision for the May 2020 examinations. Love you all, loving you all so much. Take care, stay safe, take care of your health, because without health there's nothing, there's no existence, right? Thank you so much. Take care. All the very best to all of you.